Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you start a group session on Spotify. So to start a group session on Spotify, you need to just go to Spotify app at first. Now after going to Spotify, just play a song. Now in this song, here you can see there is icon in the bottom left. Just click on this icon. And after that, here you will see an option, and by that option you can just make a group session on Spotify. In my case I don't have that because I don't have the premium plan of Spotify. Only if you have the premium plan of Spotify you can make a group session on it, and it will be like this. Here you can see. So guys, that's how you can make a group session on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Tech Avro. Thank you so much for watching the video.